Welcome to Avo Go, a practice e-commerce application developed by Team Avo for your learning journey with Avo Assure. In this walkthrough, you will see how a new user can create an account and complete their profile setup in Avo Go. Begin by launching the Avo Go application in a browser and verifying that the login page is displayed. Then click on Register and enter the required details including username, first name, last name, email address, and password. Once the details are entered, click Create Account. A 6-digit verification code would be sent to the email address used for registering. Enter the verification code received through your email and click Verify Account. After successful verification, you will be redirected to the login page, where you will need to enter the username and password. Then click Login to access the landing page of Avo Go. For the profile setup, navigate to Your Profile and select My Account option. Enter the required details in the profile information under Account Settings and save them. Then, click Manage Addresses and select Add Your First Address to enter the required address details and save it. Once done, go back to your profile and click Sign Out to securely exit the application. This is how you can create an account and complete your profile setup in Avo Go.